Okay, so this is the cake I made for Mom's birthday, and as you can see inside, this is a solid chocolate box I made, and what is supposed to be her little dog Bobo, and inside the box there's little coins and pearls and stuff, and you know, these are the butterflies. I hand painted each one of these, and all the flowers are hand colored, and this is my first 2-tier cake, and I have some issues with some lipping and stuff with it, or elephant skin, or whatever it's called, but I made all the flowers and stuff, and I wanted to try and make it kind of, you know, look like it was cascading down, and I think I did okay. And this is it from the back. I even decorated the back. I had a whole lot of fun making this cake, and my mom really likes it, or so she says, so.
Yay!
See, she would know.
Yes,
it's her cake.
I do. I love it.
So, it turned out pretty good.